Jonny and this is Pencil Pencil, and at Easter I love to draw an Easter bunny!
It's drawing time!
To draw our Easter bunny, I'm going to use the colour white and pink. We'll start by drawing the Easter bunny's head. Here we go. We're going to draw a big circle. Watch me. That's the Easter bunny's head. Why don't you and Pencil Pencil have a go? Okay, Pencil Pencil, remember it's a big circle for the Easter bunny's head. That's it. Pencil Pencil, that's a brilliant circle. Now let's draw the Easter bunny's ears. Yes, this is going to be 2 squashed circles. And I'm going to use the white to draw around the ears, and then I'm going to use my pink for the inside of the ears. I'll show you. Here we go. Here's the first squashed circle. 1. Now let's draw the other one. This is the other ear. 2. Another squashed circle. 2. Now I'm going to use the colour pink to do the inside. Here we go. That's the inside of the ear. Oh, let me just complete that. It didn't. There. Okay, let me do the other one. That's the other inside of the ear. That's that bunny's ears. Why don't you and Pencil Pencil have a go? And remember, you could use a pink to draw the inside of your bunny's ears. Okay, Pencil Pencil. It doesn't matter if you haven't got 2 different colours. We're going to draw the Easter bunny's ears. Remember, it's 2 squashed circles. That's 1. That's 2. Now draw the inside. It's just the same shape. That's brilliant. You've done the Easter bunny's ears. Now let's draw 3 circles. I'm going to draw 1, 2 for the Easter bunny's cheeks. And then I'm going to draw 1 big circle for the Easter bunny's mouth. I'll show you. Here's 1 circle, just a little small one. And then we'll go to the other side. And then another small circle. And then we're going to draw the big circle for the Easter bunny's mouth. Why don't you and Pencil Pencil have a go? So it's 3 circles, Pencil Pencil. It's 2 small ones and 1 big one. Yeah, that's it. That's the first small circle for the Easter bunny's cheek. Now go to the other side. Yes, that's the second small circle for the Easter bunny's cheek. Now we need to do the mouth. That's a big circle. Oh, Pencil Pencil, you're doing a great job of your Easter bunny. Now we need to draw the Easter bunny's nose. Can you do that? And we're going to then draw the Easter bunny's mouth. I'm going to use pink for the nose and white for the mouth. Okay, here we go. The nose is going to be a heart shape, and I'll show you how to do that. We go up and then down, and then we go up and we go down, a heart shape. That's the Easter bunny's nose. And now we're going to do the mouth, and our Easter bunny is going to be smiling. Here we go. I'm just going to do a line that goes down, and then I'm going to draw a big smile. Here we go. Wow. Now it's your turn. Okay, you draw the nose and the mouth on your Easter bunny. Yep. You can do a heart. Perfect. And then that line. And then a smile. Oh, Pencil Pencil. It's really coming together, your Easter bunny drawing now. Let's draw the Easter bunny's eyes. And we're going to draw 2 circles. Here we go. 1, 2. And then we're going to do the pupils. 2 dots. You ready? Squeak, 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 squeak. Now the other one. Squeak, 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 squeak. That's our Easter bunny's eyes. Pencil Pencil, why don't you have a go? 2 circles for the eyes. That's 1. 2. And now the pupils. Squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, 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 squeak. To finish our Easter bunny drawing off, I'm going to draw 6 whiskers. You going to count with me? Okay. 1, 2, 3, and then over this side, 4, 5, 6. That's the whiskers on our Easter bunny. You have a go with pencil, pencil. Okay, pencil, pencil, it's 6 whiskers. 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow! I've loved drawing an Easter bunny with you. Now we need to bring our Easter bunny to life. And we need Pencil Pencil's help. You ready? Pencil, pencil! Pencil, pencil, it's so good to see you. Will you help us bring our Easter bunny to life? Huh, thank you. We need to say, pencil, pencil, bring our Easter bunny to life. Ready? Pencil, pencil, bring our Easter bunny to life. Oh, wow. I love it. Well done with your Easter bunny drawing. Do you know what Easter Bunny's favourite food is? Yes, a carrot. Now we can draw an Easter Bunny. Why don't we draw an Easter Bunny basket where we can put our Easter eggs in? Ready? Okay, follow me. We'll start by drawing a curved line. It's like a U. Now we're going to draw a line across. That's going to be our basket. Now we need to draw the basket's handle, and it's really easy to do. I'll show you. It's one curved line. Ready? And then we do another curved line. Watch. That's the handle to our basket. I like to add a bit of detail, and it's just some lines really. I'll show you. Look at that. Because our basket's made out of wicker. You see that? Just some lines around the basket. Now we're going to draw the rabbit's face on our basket. Ready? We're going to do 2 eyes. 1, 2. Squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, 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 squeak. Now we're going to do the bunny's nose. Watch me. And it's going to be a heart again. A heart like that. A line. And our bunny's happy, so we're going to do a smile. Should we add 2 teeth as well? Bunnies have 2 front teeth like that. Wow. Oh, I know what we're missing. We're missing the bunny's ears. Let's draw some bunny ears on our basket. You ready? I'm going to start here. Ooh. We'll draw one on the other side. Ooh. And we're going to do some detail on the ears. We're going to do another curved line again in the ear. And now on the other side. Look at that, it looks great. Oh, we need to do some whiskers on our basket. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it looks great. Should we draw some Easter eggs in our basket? Let's do that. Let's draw 3 Easter eggs. And that's really easy to do because it's 3 curved lines. Ready? 1, 2, 3. They're all different sizes. That's our Easter bunny basket drawn. Now let's colour it in together. I'm going to colour my Easter eggs in violet, yellow, and purple. Here we go. Oh, what colours are you going to use to colour your Easter eggs in? That's violet. Oh, now I'm going to use purple. Oh, nice. Very nice. It doesn't matter if you go outside the lines. And then this Easter egg is going to be yellow. Oh, nice. Oh, I tell you what, I'm going to use the colour violet to colour in the bunny's nose. And I'm going to also colour the ears in. Wow, our Easter bunny basket looks fantastic. If you've liked drawing with me, Jonny, and Pencil Pencil, why don't you look out for our other videos? Bye!